Okay, this is the 8 days that are actually left today. There are 8 days left until 1.20. You should probably watch the 9 days first. So yeah, and if you watch the 9 days, you know that I'm gonna first do a Scratch representation, like if you are on Scratch or on the phone, and the video speaks for itself. Okay, now it's time for my in-depth explanation about the update. Now, the reason I'm using enchanting table, bookshelves, and emeralds, I feel like it focused a little bit on trading and enchanting, and the rest was like miscellaneous. And yes, it's the same logo for 1.20. That does not change, okay, guys? Anyway, so man, I'm just saying get on with it. It's 1.2 and 1.3, which are actually 1.2.1. And 1.3.1. Anyway, so this update 1.2.1 was a very big update. Like, it added, unlike 1.1, which was basically the smallest update ever. Like, it's probably one of the biggest updates to that time, exception for 1.0. First big update. The first actual big update would be 1.0, but the first actual big update that wasn't 1.0 because 1.0 has to be big. It's the release of the game. Yeah, so anyway. They added wood bridges to mineshafts. Wait a minute. Those didn't exist when mineshafts were made? How? And also there are zombie sieges. Groups of zombies attacking villagers, which means if you live in a village and forget to sleep, zombies are going to make problems for you. But I guess it makes sense because the Iron Golem attacks them anyway. Then the Anvil file format. I don't even know what the Anvil file format means. If someone knows, please comment it. I just put an anvil. Jungle biomes, and I put a jungle tree for that. Then there's the desert walls. Those are absolutely... Unless they have a chest at the bottom that I don't know about. That also added 4 new items / blocks. Which are the redstone lamp, bottle of enchanting, which can get you from level 0 to level 1, but yeah, that quickly becomes very small. Chisel stone bricks. Wait a minute. Does that actually... I forgot those blocks I forgot that existed. And fire charge. Okay, out of all of those, I remember fire charge, bottle of enchanting, redstone lamp. Here I added 2 new mobs, iron golems and ocelots. I didn't know iron golems did not exist at the start of the game. Anyway, yeah, I gave it an 85 out of 100. I would have given it a 95 out of 100, but not all the features are really used. Anyway, the next update was 1.3.1, and yeah, it's kind of what made the 8 days. It's enchanting emeralds that were used to be rubies, and trading and adventure mode, temples, desert and jungle books you can wait on, which are book and quills, and written book and ender chests. 80 out of 100. Tomorrow will be the start of the first week. Yeah.